Daddy. You ready to show Daddy? Come on. Right here. Show Daddy what you can do. Dancing. He knows you can dance. Yeah, he knows you can dance. So you can roll over. Mama will lay you down on the floor. Come on. Come here. Yes. Come here. I love you. You gonna roll over for Mommy? We want to show Daddy. Here we go. There we go. Yay! Yay! That was a feat. I'm not sure. You're a teeter-totter. Hey, Pumpkin. You did it! Good for you, Pumpkin! Yay! You need some help? Look at you! My knees all up in the air. You need some help. Okay. Okay.